Welcome to day 24 of the Etsy Hacks Challenge. In today's Etsy Hack video, I'm going to show you how to showcase your reviews in your description. Let me show you how. So essentially what we're doing is creating a link that you will add to your description. And when people click on that link, it takes them directly to your Etsy review section of your shop. So this is how it looks. You will add it to your description and you could add verbatim, like read what others are saying about X, Y, and Z. So whatever product you're selling. And when people click on this particular link, it's going to open a new window and it's going to redirect them right here to your reviews where they could see all of the reviews that you have received for that particular order plus other items in your store. Now, in order to create this link, all you have to do is head over to your Etsy store. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Edit Shop button right here. From here, you're going to click on your reviews. So click on the little stars and automatically you're going to get this link up here. You're going to copy this link and then you're going to paste that link in your description. So therefore, people have access to your reviews. Let me know if you knew about this hack and thanks for watching.